Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the XTrend Speed Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the XTrend Speed Trading app on your device. And from the home page, you can tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner where you will find the login button. Once you tap on this, you can use your email address or your phone number to log in. Now, in order to reset your forgotten password, tap on the Forgot Password button underneath. You will then be required to enter your email address. After typing in your email, tap on the Click to Verify button alongside the verification code box. You will then be told to check your inbox. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from XTrend with your verification code. Enter this code within the given box, and now you can type in your desired new password. Type in your password and then tap on the Complete button. And now, you will be told that your password has successfully been reset. You can now use your email address with your newly set up password to log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the XTrend Speed Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.